Wake up with Matt in the morning.
And welcome back to another episode of Matt in the Morning. I'm still Matt. Make sure I need to get my Matt in the Morning logo, get a sticker to put it on this thing, because this is not the Sober Cigars channel. Anyways, I digress. So check it out, guys. Here's what we got going on today. Today, we're doing garlic bread spaghetti. So this is a cool little dish right here, because this is a great little dish that if you have kids, your kids can get involved with helping make it. What did we do? Sloppy Joes like this the other day, and they loved it, and it was nice because it all stayed within the garlic bread. So we were excited, and I was like, you know what? I should do a video for the Sloppy Joes. And then I thought, well, we're going to do spaghetti. Let's put spaghetti in it. And this is a dish where also if you have leftover spaghetti, hey, what are we going to do with the leftovers? Well, if you got some garlic bread and some cheese, you can do this. This would be great for a get-together, I guess, if you're having a spaghetti type of get-together. Anyways, it's getting weird now. So as you can see down below, we've already cooked the garlic bread.
Yeah.
And all you do is you cook it. Now, follow the instructions to whatever garlic bread you use. Make your own. It doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
But what you want to do, what I did was I cooked it per the instructions, but took it out about a minute before it was done. Because as you can see down here, I do like mine even a little browner than this one right here. But since we're going to put this back in the oven, I didn't want to do it yet. So I'm going to show them what we're going to do. Ladies, take a look down here. Here's what you're going to do with your spoon. You're just going to push it down. So maybe I should have cooked it a little longer to get it to crunch and stay down. But that's fine.
Yeah, we're just here to help.
Okay, so excuse me, little helper, what is your name?
Davis. I'm Davis.
Yeah, that's Davis Noel. Okay, and who are you?
Adeline
Bell. So, okay, ladies, if you want to go each take your spoon and push down the center.
Yeah, this is a spoon. It's a big spoon because I don't. Yeah, it's just a big spoon.
It's a spoon.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, so I probably should have cooked them a little bit longer so that it actually, yeah, there you go. It would kind of crunch and stay down, so just keep that in mind when you do this yourself. No, that's okay. That's okay. Do this one. Yeah, there you go. You hear that crunch? That's what I wanted to hear on all these so that it stays down, but that's okay. All right, guys, here, let me go ahead and do a little smushy smush.
Very good for the
garlic. I think anytime you can get your kids involved with you with cooking, why not? Get them going now on it so that, what if it's a baby?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we don't want a baby up here with this hot stuff.
Except a baby. Don't do a baby.
Yeah, so if you have kids, except a baby, get them involved with it. They could still be picky like this one, even if you get them involved in food early on, but yeah. What? Do you have something to say?
Never mind.
Never mind. Okay. All right. So there we go. Garlic bread. Do whatever you want. Make your own. Frozen. Follow the instructions. Boom. Next up is a spaghetti. Now you could use leftover spaghetti, fresh, store-bought, all homemade, whatever you want. The point is spaghetti. So Adeline Bell.
Make sure to have a grown-up doing this.
Make sure to have a grown-up with you while doing this. Yeah. So if you'd like to take those and put some in, do the first two, and then I'll finish those out.
Oh my, this is a little.
Okay.
I would do it.
You're going to do the cheese.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Do one more, and then I'll get the rest. Okay, good job.
Oh no.
Nope, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so as you can see down there, we have it all in there. Obviously, if it was done a little bit more and you had a better pocket, get it and sit it down in there. Do it how you want.
How do they see it?
Because there's a camera there pointing down. So now, as you can see, Davis Noel's putting the cheese on, and I'm just doing whatever I want to do. I'm doing 2 Swiss, 2 provolone, and the rest cheddar. Do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
And then after this, we're just going to throw it in the oven. I'm just going to do like 350, maybe 400. Just until the cheese is melted. Like I said, everything's cooked. I just need the cheese to get melted on it. And then that's it. So there we go. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Again, just slap it on, have the kids doing it, let it get all over in here. Who cares? It's fun. Okay, ladies, you want to tell them that we'll be right back? Okay.
We will be right back.
Okay, the other one's gone. Okay. Okay, so actually what the time and temp was on this for us when we did it here was 425 for 5 minutes. Oven was already preheated to that for the garlic bread. So I was like, let's go with that. So anyways, as you can see down below, that's what you got. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks good, Davis Noel?
Yes, it's what good today. This is my emoji.
That's your emoji.
Right here is my emoji.
I don't know what that has to do with garlic bread
Emoji too.
spaghetti, but
Spaghetti.
let me cut one here. Hang on, guys. Hang on. And there you go. Spaghetti and garlic bread.
Yeah, that's why. That's why I'm.
You're going to have garlic bread with your spaghetti anyways, and possibly cheese. Why not do it all in one thing?
The taste
Because
test.
well, we'll do that in a minute. And the thing too is, I think about this for like a get together. You cut this in half, boom, there you go. Grab and go. I mean, it's holding itself together right there.
Yep.
Don't you think?
I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
I'm gonna try it too. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's pretty. I just pulled it out of the oven.
Sorry.
Literally. It's got to cool down. She just burned her face.
I did?
Or your mouth. Anyways, we'll be right back. We're going to let this cool down. We're going to let them say if this is good or not, okay?
Yeah.
That's how we'll end with if it's even worth doing again. Okay. We'll be right back. What do you think?
Amazing. I love it.
Yeah? Is this a new cool way to eat spaghetti?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, approved. All right. Let's see what Davis Noel thinks. Davis Noel, do you like it?
Yeah. I like this ring.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. All right. Well, as you can see, it doesn't get much simpler than that, especially if you're just looking to use some leftovers, garlic bread, slap some spaghetti in it, throw some cheese on top, 425 for 5 minutes, eat. That's it. Dun, dun, dun. And again, use whatever cheese you want. Use whatever kind of garlic bread you want, That's good. There were some commercials back in the day that would say was it a cereal commercial? It'd say kid tested, mother approved. This is father tested, kid approved. Anyways, whatever. That's dumb. Probably get sued for trying to use somebody's thing they used to say. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. You can put a lot of stuff inside garlic bread. Let's be very honest. The options are just endless. Oh, hang on. We got somebody else wanting to.
I'm just saying peace.
Oh, all right. And she's saying peace out. Thanks
out,
for
bro.
watching. Peace out, bros. Just like she said, we'll see you next time.